This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by locating the audio and ensuring permissions are set. Once done, open Voice Memos or the Files app and load the clip. Make sure cellular and Bluetooth are stable so nothing interrupts processing. If you plan to re-record, plug in wired headphones. They reduce ambient pickup. Next, tap the audio to reveal editing tools and select the waveform. That first edit action moves you out of passive playback and into control, which is essential before we apply noise removal and detailed adjustments. Now you'll apply noise reduction. In Voice Memos, tap the magic wand labeled Enhance Recording to reduce background hiss quickly, and listen. Make sure not to overdo it or voices will thin. For more control, import the clip into GarageBand, add a noise gate to cut low-level hum, then use EQ to reduce 200-500 Hz muddiness and boost 2.4K Hz for clarity. If you need surgical edits, export to Ferrite or to your Mac for Audacity, where spectral editing removes persistent tones. Finish by exporting a high-quality master. Choose WAV or AIF if you'll edit further, otherwise export AAC for sharing. Listen through headphones and compare the processed file to the original. Make sure speech remains natural and that no metallic artifacts were introduced. If you hear pumping, sibilance, or warbling, reduce noise gate threshold or dial back EQ cuts and rerun a lighter pass. If problems persist, revert to the original and try spectral repair in desktop software. This often fixes stubborn tones without harming vocals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.